Hello everyone, I am Dr. S.K. Sonkar, Assistant Professor of SIRT EH Department, Bhopal. Today we are discussing the subject power system protection and the topics of fuses. So, introduction, uh, uh, it was discussed in the previous classes that uh, circuit breaker interrupt the circuit automatically on the occurrence of the short circuit fault. So that is the circuit breaker interrupt in the circuit. So the same function can also be performed by a fuse through with laser reliability and efficiency, which is the cheapest form protection against excessive current. So this one is the introduction of the fuse. And a fuse is a short piece of metal inserted in the circuit which melt when the excessive current flow through it and thus break the circuit. A fuse element is generally made of material having low melting points, high conductivity, and least deterioration due to oxidation. That is silver, copper, etc. And a fuse, it is inserted in series with the circuit to be protected. Under normal operating condition, the fuse elements at a temperature below its melting point. So therefore, it carries the normal current without overheating. However, when a short circuit or overload occurs, the current through the fuse increases beyond its rated value. So this raises the temperature and fuse elements melt that disconnecting the circuit protected by it. And types of fuses. In general, fuses may be classified into low voltage fuses and high voltage fuses. And low voltage fuses, that is semi-enclosed rewirable fuse, also called is the KitKat type fuse, is used. There is low values of fault current are to be interrupted. It consists of a base fuse carrier. The base is of the porcelain material and carries the fixed contact to which the incoming and outgoing phase wire are connected. When a fault occurs, the fuse elements blow out and the circuit is interrupted. The fuse use carrier in taken out and blow out the fuse elements is replaced by the new ones. So here this is the semi-enclosed type fuse like KitKat type fuse. Okay, this one is the base of the KitKat fuse and this is cap of the uh, KitKat fuse. Disadvantage, there is a possibility of renewable renewal by the fuse wire of wrong size or by improper material. This type of fuse has low breaking capacity and hence cannot be used in circuit of the high fault layer. The protective capacity of such a fuse is uncertain. It is affected by the ambient condition. So here, accurate calibration of the fuse wire is not possible because fusing current very much depends upon the length of the fuse elements. HRC fuse, high rupturing capacity fuse, is one kind of fuse where the fuse wire carries short circuit current in set a period. If the fault occurs in the circuit, then blow off the HRC fuse is made uh, with glass, otherwise some other kind of chemical compounds. It consists of a heat resisting ceramic body having metal endscape to the which is welded silver current carrying elements, and the space within the body of surrounding the elements is completely packed with the filling powders. Like the filling material may be chalk, plaster of Paris, quartz, or marble dust, and it's the arc quenching and cooling medium. So under normal load condition, the fuse elements is at a temperature below its melting point, and when a fault occur, the current increase and fuse elements melt before the fault current reach it the first. The heat produced in the process vaporize the melted silver elements. Here, this is the HRC high rupturing capacity fuse, and this one is the brass end plates, cartridge material, and fuse link contacts. This is the fuse link contact, outer elements, and the fuse element. This one the fuse element, and this one the fuse power filling powders. So here we can see the HRC type fuse, like use of the high rupturing capacity fuse. Advantages: they are capable for clearing high as well as fault, low fault current. They do not deteriorate with age. They have high speed of operation. They provide reliable discrimination, and they require no maintenance, and they permit consistent performance, and they are cheapest other than the interrupting device like the braking capacity. And disadvantage, they have to replace after each operation. Heat produced by arc may affect the associated switch. And thank you.